There we go. Here's our blizzard today. It's January 5th, I think. And you can see there's some good drifting going on all over the place. Look at the, yeah, a lot of that. Big drifts right out of the gate here. The car's got who knows how much snow on them. It's pretty amazing. House up there's got a lot of icicles. You can see this is blowing pretty good. I don't know, hard to say how much we have here. Well, see there, it's probably foot deep in there. Fun stuff when the actual roof of the truck is right there. You can see all kinds of fun. So I'm about ready to snow blow the driveway. I'm not too excited about it. You can see all the heat from the house keeps it from building up there. It's an old house and it leaks heat like crazy. So you can see all the, yeah. This is not going to be fun. It's going to take a while. So you can see the wind, the snow blowing. It's cold. Wind chimes are still working. Alright, blizzard of 2013. And this is not even the best part here. It's cold. It's supposed to get colder. I guess the actual temperature, well, the wind chill is like 10 below or something. It's cold. So, even the little things get a lot of snow on them. It's pretty crazy. So, alright. Thanks for watching. Okay, well, I did some, yeah, never mind my gloves. You can see about how tall that is. Foot and a half probably. I didn't get the entire driveway done because the clutch that runs the paddles on the snowblower kind of, I don't know if we got icy, quit working or what. You can see how, usually you get plowed in, but we haven't had a whole lot of plows here. But you can see how it's not bad, but it's something else anyway. See the stairs or the mailman's gotta go. Kind of crazy. So, time to fix the clutch on the snowblower and get back after it again for a little while. Fun stuff. That's a mirror. Car mirror. Crazy. You can see it's definitely made to snow today, so alright, I'll get you back later.